Where is US30 going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on Dow Jones Industrial Average stock? Okay, DGI stock is sitting at $34,227 to 34,227.25. I'm going to show you my outlook and forecast on US30 stock. First and foremost, this is actually a bullish trend range to me. Therefore, ideally, we're always aiming for these highs to get cleared, which are at 36K, $154.30. Okay, so it's definitely around like 7% away from us. With DGI stock or just US30 stock. We're actually not that it's not that volatile at all. I mean, it is volatile, but a lot of movement doesn't equal a lot of percentages. With US30, we just broke the structure up here. Okay, so this liquidity point, I mean, that's awesome. I love how we start to put in this. This is the daily range that we're in. Seems like we broke structure right here. It's coming down from some of the supply demand areas around here. So if it ever comes to 32 to 33K, this is still a bullish range, so it doesn't mean that much. Um, Looking at it from a liquidity points, this is where we have a lot of liquidity right here. Okay, this is kind of the high of this mountain. 5K is not that different from this high, so we're aiming for these highs. How are we going to position ourselves? This is the idea. I'm still going to want to see a full candle close on the 4 hour above the high, so I'm going to wait for that. But it's surely coming from some of these demand areas. I'm definitely going to keep you updated, and I would love to see these continuations happening to the upside. Nothing to do for me to do anything else than this, so I'm definitely going to keep you updated with US30 stock. But again, if you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free and everything, check out the first link in the description. It's 100% free course. People are charging money for this type of stuff. Everything regarding psychology, methods, frameworks, all of this free.